You want me to teach you some Nigerian?
Yeah.
Okay.
In this video, I'm going to be teaching you basic Yoruba words. So if you're interested in learning Yoruba, watch this video from the beginning to the end. I have lots of things to teach you. Yoruba is one of the three major languages spoken in Nigeria, with the other two being Hausa and Igbo. The Yoruba people of Western Nigeria are known to be some of the most educated and well-traveled people in Nigeria. They are also known for their wild parties and love for food such as amala and jollof rice. Language is a very powerful tool. It can promote connection and bond between couples. So if your husband or your wife is a Yoruba person, or you have a Yoruba friend, these words that I will be teaching you in this video will be very, very helpful in impressing them, because when we love someone, we want to impress them, we want to make them feel special. So if you're one of those people, stick to the end of this video. I have so many things to tell you in Yoruba, of course. Now let's go. Because love is very sweet and wonderful, I'm going to start by telling you the meaning of I love you in Yoruba. Yes, I love you. So let's go. How do you say I love you in Yoruba? You say Munife. Munife. Yes, Munife. Did you get that? So if you want to say I love you, say Munife. That is I love you. Yeah. Let's say you want to say I love you, my husband. You say Munifere Okomi. Okomi means husband in English. Yeah. So now let's go to the basics. The basics that you need to learn. Good morning. Good morning is Ekaro. Ekaro. If you're greeting an elderly person, you will say Ekaro ma or Ekaro sa if the person is a man. So good morning means Ekaro. Ekaro. Did you get that? And if you want to say I love you, you say Munifere. Yeah? Okay. Good evening is Ekale. Good evening, Ekale. What is your name? Kini orukwe. Kini orukwe. What is your name? Kini orukwe. Let's say you just meet someone. Let's say the person is your in-law or your friend, and you want to speak to the person in Yoruba. You want to ask the person in Yoruba, what is your name? You say Kilorukwe. Kilorukwe. Did you get that? Don't worry, I'm going to write these words on the screen for you. Let's go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Urewa. Urewa. Yeah. Beautiful means urewa. Yeah. Welcome. Ekabo. Ekabo. You're welcome. Ekabo. Then thank you means oshe. Thank you, oshe. When someone does something good for you and you want to say thank you, you will say oshe. If you're talking to someone that is the same age as you, oshe. And if you're talking to an elderly person in Yoruba, you will say eshe. When you're speaking Yoruba are very respectful people. They lay so much emphasis on age. Yeah, you have to be very respectful of the elderly in Yoruba land. Likewise, when you're speaking the language, you have to be respectful when you're addressing an elderly Yoruba man or woman. Yeah. So if you're saying thank you to your age mates, you say oshe. If you're saying thank you to an elderly person, let's say your in-law, your husband's mother or your husband's father, you say eshe. Eshe. Eshe is a sign of respect. But if you're talking to your age mates, you can just say oshe. So thank you is oshe. Let's go. Man means okuri. Okuri, man. Man means okuri. Woman is obiri. Come and eat. Come eat with me. Wajen. Wajen is come eat with me. Wajen. If you want to say I love you, my wife, you say Ìyàwó mi, mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. Yes, Ìyàwó mi, mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. Yes, I love you. These words are very powerful, especially if the person that you're speaking to is Yoruba and you just want to make them feel at home, you want to make them feel comfortable. You tell them mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. I mean, you can easily say I love you in English. I mean, they will still understand you. But it feels so special when someone they love, someone they are attracted to tells them in their language, mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. My wife, I love you so much. ìyàwó mi, mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ tinútinú, tọkàntọkàn. I love you. Yeah? I mean, when you say that to them, they'll feel so special. Yeah? And what else? Ọkọ mi, olówó orí mi, mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. My husband, my king, I love you so much. Yeah. When you want to say Odabo means goodbye. Let's say you go to visit someone, let's say your mother-in-law or your friends that are Yoruba in Nigeria or any other country. When you're leaving, because they will always see you off to the airport. When you're leaving, tell them Odabo, goodbye. Odabo means goodbye. Odabo, goodbye. So if someone asks you what is your name in English and you want to impress the person, you can say Orúkọ mi ni John Doe or Jane Doe. Yeah? So the meaning of what is your name in Yoruba is Kilorukwe. Kilorukwe. And when you are answering the person, you say, my name is John Doe, which is Orúkọ mi ni John Doe. Do you understand? And these are very, very basic Yoruba. They are very basic. They are very simple. And they're used every day. One of my favorite Yoruba word is Kosiwala. There's no wala. There's no problem. Okay? No, it's just like Akuna Matata in Swahili. So, Kosiwala means no problem. No wahala. So, anytime you're in Lagos, you will always hear someone saying wahala. No wahala. It simply means no problem. Now let's talk about the most popular Yoruba names. Yes, I will just mention 3. Okay, so if you have any other name you want me to translate to you, let me know in the comment section. So let's start with Ayo. Ayo means joy. The Afrobeat star Wizkid's actual name is called Ayo. Yes, Ayo. Ayo means joy. Then Oluwafemi. Almost every Yoruba family has someone called Femi in their family. Oluwafemi means God loves me. The last one is Ibukun. Ibukunluwa, and it means blessing. One of my name is blessing. Yes, me myself. Ibukunluwa, God's blessing. Yeah, and it's a very beautiful name. I love that name. Yes, so many of my foreign friends, I'm not talking about the friends that know me from this YouTube channel. I'm talking other friends, you know, whether they are my colleagues or whether I meet them at conference. When I tell them my name is Blessing, they'll be like, oh, you're called Blessings. They always put an S at the back, but it's just Blessing. So that is the end of today's lesson. If you want to know more or learn more about Yoruba language, drop a comment in the comment section. Let's talk. Guys, thank you for watching all the way to the end. See you another time. Bye.